Welcome to the space where words meet heart. I'm here to share my thoughts, my poems with you with an intention that they connect with you in a meaningful way. So let's explore these feelings and spread some love along the way. This poem talks about memories which are linked to sound. The title of this poem is The Sound of Forgotten Places. The echoes bouncing on these old walls remind me of my laughter and carefree plays, of the days of my childhood. They have painted them now, but the cold walls carry warm memories that still linger on deep patches and uneven texture. I breathe slowly in silence to hear my memories crawling back, a sense of time travel to relieve something fading with these forgotten places in the everyday buzz of adulthood. These streets, now covered with concrete, forgot they once smelled of dust and soft soil. They have captured those sounds of fast footsteps of me and my friends, running and jumping with excitement. The big banyan tree grew a bit older, but still her leaves sing the same melody to all her residents on her strong, long branches. I went there to relive those moments, slowly fading with the new air of time, places forgotten by me, but they still remember me and hold my memories. When we revisit some place where we have lived, like Granny's house or any other place, with time we forget how how much we had gotten used to that place. We forget when we relocate and live there for a few years. But when we go back to that place, there are some memories which nothing can, nothing can replace those memories. They come back to us and we feel so happy. We feel that there is some feeling, that feeling of nostalgia comes and it really stays with us. You know, thank you so much for listening to me. I'll see you in next one. Till then, bye.